Howdy, I'm Jess. I travel for Bring Me and for fun. I try my best to live a zero waste life, which means I make no trash. And this is how I pack for an eco-friendlier adventure. A big chunk of traveling more eco-friendly is being able to avoid single-use plastics. 40% of plastic produced is packaging that is discarded after one use. And a really easy way to avoid some of these single-use plastics is having a meal kit. I just use a camping set for my utensils on the go, and honestly, you could just use the utensils in your kitchen cabinet. I personally love prepping some snacks for the airplane, because who even wants peanuts? So if you're watching this video and you're like, why do you need a hanky? What's the big deal with using paper products? Well, they may not seem as environmentally toxic as plastic, but they do take energy to make, and oftentimes they involve chemicals like bleach. Carrying a hanky is a really simple solution that avoids all that. Cotton bags, baby. Similar to the hanky, they come in more handy than you will ever imagine. I personally use these for grocery shopping at home, but they serve multiple purposes while traveling. Okay, bottles. Another really simple addition that reduces your waste a ton. Literally a ton. Americans use 2.5 million plastic beverage bottles every hour. Okay, moving right along. I love making my own toiletries and beauty products. But if you don't, there are options who make refillable products or who ship in compostable materials. It's just something you gotta give a quick Google to. This little guy, I never go anywhere without. It's literally my deodorant and my shampoo. It sounds weird, but my hair looks better than it ever has and my pits don't smell, so go baking soda. My biggest tip for eco-friendly traveling is just to try these habits in your everyday life. Now, I don't expect everyone to go out and make beat lipstick, but implementing some of these changes allows us to think about waste and our impact in ways that maybe we aren't thinking about every day. And that is a good thing. And of course I'll pack clothes and things. I tend to pack light. 1 week is one backpack, and then I don't have to deal with that bag tag. A fountain pen makes you feel like a boss. Or I guess also like a grandpa. Am I a grandpa? When it comes to being eco-friendly, there are many good practices that go beyond how you pack. So I encourage you to keep learning, keep being conscious, and keep being real. And that's it. That's all it takes to be a little more conscientious. And let me tell you, it is worth it. I mean, I'm having a great time. Adventure!